Alright guys, another phase. See, remember right now? Okay. The wheel is already off. I have access to this. I already took off the first bolt. This is how the bolt will look like. And also I took this off because this will have to come off. As you will see, the new one you will install will have this. So the first one will have to come off. Okay? Then this, the bolt, I already took one off before I just mentioned. Now I'm going to take this one out, and then I'll be disconnecting all the connections you see. These two are connections. I'll be disconnecting those. I'll show you. I have 3 more. This one here, and these 2. I'll be disconnecting. Okay, I'll be back.